Now you will hear a short conversation about writing a letter. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Grandpa, can you help me? I want to write a letter to Aunt Mary.
Of course, Lily. That's a lovely idea. Do you know how to start?
Not really. What do I write first?
Well, first, you write the date at the top, like today's date.
Okay, October 26th. Then what?
Next, you greet her. You can write, Dear Aunt Mary. Don't forget the comma.
Dear Aunt Mary. Got it. And then I write my message?
Yes, exactly. Tell her about your day or what you did at school. Keep it simple.
Like, I played with my dog today?
Perfect. After your message, you can write love or best wishes and then your name.
Love, Lily. This is fun. Thank you, Grandpa.
You're welcome, dear. She'll be so happy to get it.
What is the conversation mainly about? According to the conversation, what should Lily write first in her letter? Now you will hear a short conversation about team sports. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hey, what's your favorite sport to watch? Mine is definitely soccer. It's the best team sport.
Oh, really? I prefer basketball. Soccer is a bit slow for me sometimes. Not enough points.
Slow? No way. Soccer is the most popular sport in the world. Everyone plays it. It's so exciting when someone scores a goal.
I think basketball is faster and more dynamic. There's always action, lots of running and jumping, and scores happen more often, so it's more thrilling.
But soccer is a global game. You see teams from everywhere. It connects people.
Basketball is also global, and the players are so athletic. It's amazing to watch them jump and dunk. Non-stop action.
I guess both are good, but I still think soccer is the ultimate team sport.
We can agree to disagree. Basketball for me, always.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why does the woman prefer basketball over soccer? Now you will hear a short lecture about koalas. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, class. Today we're going to talk about a very cute animal, the koala. Koalas are special animals that live only in one country. Can you guess which one? That's right, they live in Australia. You can find them in eucalyptus forests there. Koalas spend most of their lives in trees. They are arboreal animals. What do koalas eat? They love to eat eucalyptus leaves. They eat a lot of these leaves every day. But koalas are picky eaters. They only eat certain types of eucalyptus leaves. Because eucalyptus leaves don't have much energy, koalas need to sleep a lot. They can sleep for up to 18 hours a day. So koalas are unique Australian animals that eat eucalyptus leaves and spend their lives sleeping in trees.
What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, where do koalas live? Now you will hear a short lecture about lightning. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about lightning. You know, when there's a big storm, sometimes we see a very bright flash of light in the sky. That's lightning. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity, similar to the small sparks you might feel if you rub your feet on a carpet and then touch something metal. In the sky, big clouds move around and rub against each other. This movement creates a lot of static electricity inside the clouds. When there's too much electricity built up, it needs to be released. So it jumps from one cloud to another cloud, or from a cloud all the way down to the ground. This powerful jump of electricity is what we see as a flash of lightning. And why is lightning so loud? When lightning flashes, it heats the air around its path very, very quickly. This super hot air expands extremely fast, pushing all the nearby air away. This sudden, quick push creates a powerful sound wave. We hear this sound wave as thunder. So lightning is the light you see, and thunder is the loud sound you hear.
What is the talk mainly about? Why is lightning so loud?